The 2026 BMW M5 has arrived, and it brings 717 horsepower from a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid powertrain. Whether you're looking for supercar performance, luxury sedan comfort, or cutting-edge hybrid technology, this M5 promises to deliver all three. In this video, we'll explore the aggressive exterior design, dive into the high-tech interior features, and discuss what makes this the most powerful M5 ever built. Let's get started. From the front, the 2026 BMW M5 makes a powerful first impression. BMW's signature kidney grille takes center stage, now larger and more aggressive with M-specific vertical slats, giving the vehicle a bold and menacing presence. The illuminated grille option creates a stunning visual signature at night. The slim laser LED headlights add a sharp, high-tech look with M-specific graphics that stand out both day and night. The sculpted hood lines create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is parked, while the M-specific front bumper features massive air intakes designed to channel cooling air to the twin-turbo V8 engine and hybrid components. Moving to the side, the M5 displays classic performance sedan proportions elevated to the extreme. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a silhouette that combines muscular power with executive refinement. Sharp character lines run along the sides, emphasizing the sculpted surfaces. The dramatically flared wheel arches house massive 20-inch forged M wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 performance tires. Carbon fiber mirror caps and M side skirts add racing-inspired visual drama. The embossed M5 logo on the C-pillar is a subtle detail that true enthusiasts notice immediately. At the rear, the design remains aggressive and purposeful. Slim horizontal LED taillights stretch across the width, making the vehicle appear wider and more planted on the road. The rear bumper features bold sculpting with a prominent carbon fiber diffuser. 100mm exhaust tips, arranged in a quad layout, emerge dramatically from the diffuser, announcing the M5's performance credentials. An integrated rear spoiler adds downforce at high speeds. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 BMW M5 strikes a perfect balance between executive presence and racetrack aggression, making it stand out as the ultimate performance sedan. Stepping inside the 2026 M5 reveals a cabin designed for both performance and luxury. The dashboard layout is driver-focused with the BMW curved display, a seamless glass panel housing both the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch central touchscreen. Behind the M leather steering wheel with integrated shift paddles and M1 M2 drive mode buttons, the instrument cluster displays M-specific performance data including G-forces, boost pressure, and lap times. Rear passengers experience genuine luxury despite the performance focus. Generous legroom and heated seats with individual climate controls ensure comfort on longer trips. The available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system with 20 speakers and 1500 watts delivers concert hall audio quality. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and automated parking assistance. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads add modern convenience throughout the cabin. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M5 offers a revolutionary plug-in hybrid powertrain combining a 4.4-liter M twin-power turbo V8 with an electric motor integrated into the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission. Total system output reaches 717 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor delivers instant thrust, eliminating turbo lag entirely.